with 911R on Brain Trailer. We have the 72 914 that's ending up here in a little bit. Just want to do a quick little walk around about it. This car has really been highly customized, and the best thing about it, it's got a 911 heart in it. It's got a 2.4 liter flat six in it, and it is a strong one. We've had this car out. I was really shocked, and if you watch the driving videos, this car actually rips. It's got lots of power, lots of grunt, drives really, really good. It has the GT steel flares that have been added to the car. All the paint and bodywork has been redone on it. It's got a center field gas cap. We got custom graphics and stuff on. This is all vinyl. It can be removed. The chrome bumpers have been powder coated black. We got new bumper ends. We got clear markers. There's just a ton of details that was put in this car. Thousands of dollars were spent into it. These really cool mirrors. The interior is really nice. It's got the later model Porsche plaid in it, and that's really been done nice. It's got a great carpet kit. It has a subwoofer with a remote stereo system, 917 style shift knob. Really cool Momo steering wheel with stopwatches on it. It's just, and I've never seen this, a carbon fiber 914 top. This isn't just an overlay on a top. This is a fully built top on this car. Open up the back here. The engine cover is a 914-6 engine cover, so it's fully graded instead of metal and grate, which is a really nice upgrade part. Everything down here is really well done. It's got a electronic ignition system on it with a coil pack, so it has a lot more power and pop in the ignition. Weber carburetors. It really is tuned out really nice and runs good. Big Fuchs wheels on it, really fill up the fender wheels really nice and clean. Again, the paint on the car is really good. Some subtle details like the vinyl stickers and stuff. But, expensive build, lots of care was put into the car. I think somebody's gonna have a really fun toy here. Any questions, use the contact seller button. We'll help you out. Or if you need shipping, let me know as well. Thank you very much.